Welcome to this training session on operational plans and feedback loops, course code BSB50420. In this module, we'll discover why operational plans require continuous monitoring, how feedback loops improve performance, and how strategies such as coaching, mentoring, and training help individuals and teams achieve their best. Operational plan and its importance. An operational plan is more than just a document. It is the roadmap that guides an organization toward its goals. But for this map to stay accurate, it requires continuous monitoring and evaluation. Changes that happen during implementation must be recorded, because those records provide valuable lessons for the future. Imagine planning a journey. If a road is closed and you take a detour, you don't just forget it. You record it, so next time, you know the better path. In the same way, operational plans must capture changes, making future planning stronger and smarter. When should monitoring occur? Monitoring must happen at 3 stages: before, during, and after an event. Before an event, monitoring allows us to identify potential issues early. By addressing problems before they occur, risks are eliminated before they grow. During an event, problems may arise in real time. Continuous monitoring detects these quickly, allowing corrective action before issues escalate. Think of a live concert. Sound engineers constantly monitor audio to adjust volume and prevent disruptions. After an event, post-event monitoring provides analysis. It captures what went wrong and what went right, giving organizations the insight to improve future plans. For example, after a product launch, reviewing customer feedback highlights what features worked well and what must be refined. Processes for ongoing monitoring. There are structured methods to ensure continuous monitoring. One of the most widely used is the PDCA cycle: plan, do, check, act first, recognize an opportunity and plan a change. Second, test the change through a small pilot. Third, check the results and analyze what you learned. Finally, act, adopt the successful change or refine it further. Another useful method is the SAME model, which stands for Select, Analyze, Measure, Improve, and Evaluate. It is used to evaluate performance systematically. Both models create a feedback loop, a cycle of action, reflection, and improvement that prevents repeating mistakes and drives better outcomes each time. Supporting individuals and teams. Operational success depends on people. Supporting individuals and teams means establishing development programs that strengthen abilities, improve efficiency, and build confidence. Support ensures that both individuals and teams can perform tasks effectively. When employees feel supported, motivation rises, collaboration improves, and organizational outcomes are enhanced. Mentoring and coaching programs. 2 common approaches to workforce development are coaching and mentoring. At first glance, they seem similar, but there are important differences. Coaching is task-focused. It improves specific skills, such as managing time more effectively, communicating clearly, or thinking strategically. Coaches are subject matter experts who guide employees step by step until the skill is mastered. Coaching is usually short-term, lasting only as long as the learning need exists. Mentoring, on the other hand, is relationship-focused. It provides a safe space where employees can share challenges affecting their professional and personal success. Mentors support not just skill development, but also confidence, self-reflection, and long-term career growth. Mentoring usually lasts longer, often 9 months to a year, because it takes time to build trust and see results. To summarize, coaching improves immediate performance. Mentoring develops the person for the long run. Role of the supervisor in coaching and mentoring. Supervisors play a critical role in these processes. For coaching, supervisors identify areas that need improvement and provide information to guide the process in the right direction. For example, a supervisor might notice that a team member struggles with presentations and arrange coaching in public speaking. For mentoring, supervisors suggest opportunities or recommend suitable mentor-mentee matches. Importantly, supervisors do not interfere in the mentoring relationship. Their role is to maintain independence and integrity, so that the mentoring bond remains authentic and trustworthy. When to consider coaching or mentoring. So, when should an organization use coaching, and when should it use mentoring? Coaching is best when employees need to develop specific skills quickly. For example, when a new IT system is introduced, staff may need short-term coaching to learn how to use it effectively. Coaching is also valuable when skilled workers are not meeting expectations, or when leaders need help acquiring new abilities. Mentoring, on the other hand, is most useful for succession planning and long-term development. For instance, if an organization wants to prepare future leaders, mentoring helps build the talent pool. It also helps employees overcome barriers that hinder career progression, such as lack of confidence or limited networks. Training and workshops. Sometimes, performance gaps cannot be solved with coaching or mentoring alone. In such cases, training and workshops are essential. 3.3 Operational plans and feedback. Before launching training, managers must analyze whether training is truly the right tool. They must also consider time and financial resources. With abundant online resources available today, organizations can choose between in-person workshops, e-learning modules, or blended approaches. For example, a sales team struggling with negotiation skills might attend a 2-day workshop combined with online practice modules. This ensures knowledge is learned, applied, and reinforced. Thank you for completing this session on operational plans and feedback loops. We've seen how monitoring before, during, and after implementation ensures effective operations. We've explored methods like the PDCA cycle and the SAMI model, and we've highlighted how coaching, mentoring, and training support individuals and teams. The key takeaway is this: feedback loops are the engine of improvement. By capturing lessons, applying changes, and supporting people, organizations transform operational plans into real, measurable success.